Custom Fit Whitening Trays are recommended by dentists as one of the most safe and effective home whitening options. Other trays, including those warmed in water, cannot provide the same tight fit and customization. Custom Fit trays prevent gel leakage onto your gums, are customized to fit your mouth, are recommended by dentists, are comfortable to wear. From an imprint of your upper and lower teeth, we use specialized dental equipment to make your custom fit whitening trays that are unique to your mouth. Custom fit trays are usually only available from your dentist and can cost more than $600. We have developed a convenient system which can be completed in the comfort of your own home. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Select your package. Choose from our trays only or complete package. This provides the choice in purchasing just custom fit trays or the option to add a complete home whitening kit. Both options include everything required to take imprints of your upper and lower teeth. Step 2. Take impressions. Follow the instructions and watch our step-by-step video to take imprints of your teeth. Place them in the reply paid satchel, post them back to us, and then we get to work. Step 3. Start whitening. Once we have finished constructing your trays, they are posted to you and you start whitening. Our service is perfect for almost everyone's individual whitening needs, including a choice between 2 fabrication speeds and a range of dentist-recommended whitening gels. Even better, our whitening gels are identical to those purchased at your local dental practice, so they do not require LEDs lights. After all, your dentist knows best, and that's why you can trust the House of Mouth. Use our Help Me Choose tool on our website to find the product best suited to you.